Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. To open this morning's webinar, the Australian dollar is again focusing back on that resistance at 75.20 in light of the current pattern, and also if we look at the daily from the rejection back in December should again play the same role, and I expect to see the market fall again towards that region of 75.20 and look back towards a 74.55 support as minor. A break beneath 74.20.25 would initiate the next move down and give immediate bias towards 73.55, and a break beneath 73.55 gives an objective to the 72 region. In the event we do see a break above 75.20, then this will give scope up towards 75.65 with the resistance firmly around 76.30. The euro again fails towards that top side challenge of 106.80. With the market currently shying away from that region, I do expect to see further weakness into this week, with the US dollar eventually recovering and seeing the euro look back towards the support of 105.80 and lower towards 105.35 to 104.55.70. In the event we see a break above that 106.80, then this will give scope up towards 107.45.55 with the resistance firmly capped around 108.50 with that rejection you can see here in December. So see how the dollar plays out in the next 24 hours. As I mentioned, I do expect to see a stronger US dollar, so this should see 106.80 capped and the support soon to be challenged. Dollar yen still maintaining on a softer note as the market now looks towards the support of 114.10. It is viewed that the market may actually get towards 113.65.70 or towards this region around 112.60.80. I expect to see demand eventually recovering to take the recovery from that 112.60.80 level and look up towards a 114 to 116 challenge. So we're not too far away from seeing this turnaround, and as I mentioned, 112.60.80 should hold firmly as a bullish foundations. Sterling gaps underneath that 120.20 support this morning and now looks towards the 118 figure 50 objective. It is viewed that from the flash crash the market will be destined to hold towards that region and reassess from there. However, when markets tend to gap either on a down or an upward bias, the market tends to fill in that gap. So we could see a recovery in the next 24 hours towards that 120.60.80 to 121.30.35 before the initial downturn. Failing to get that, then that just tells me that the market is extremely negative and we could actually go lower than 118 down to about 114. Gold opens up a little bit firmer this morning, however still not taking out that high around 12.0407, with the market still looking towards a cap from there and challenge lower down towards 11.88. However, a break above 12.09 would give further scope to the upside and to a potential target of 12.24 and reassess from there. In the last 10 days, oil has traded in a very choppy pattern. However, from the key reversal, I still expect to see further weakness in the coming days, with the target holding towards that 49.60 level. However, a close above 54.60 would give further scope to the upside and look for a 56 to 58 target. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report that will be sent out very shortly.